Hi guys, welcome back to the episode 3 of our web app security series. In the last episode, we did an SQL injection and then we were able to find our way into the admin's account with the SQL injection. And if you check the components of the admin's account dashboard, the only thing that is standing out different from every other user is the admin panel. So let's go to the admin panel and see what exactly is there. Okay, we have the admin control panel, system administrator. Okay, there's a user management that shows all the users available, create admin accounts, pending loan applications. In your account you can apply for loans and this is where you get them approved. So now let's log out and then try and see if we can run a mass assignment on this application to increase our balance as a new user. Initially, when you register on Vuln-Bank as a new user, you are given $1,000 as your balance. So we want to see if we can increase that using mass assignment. So the first thing I want to do is go on my Bob suite, turn on my intercepts, then come here, register an account. So let's register a new account. Let's say root Cisco and put in. I told you guys in the previous episode that the password enforcement policy in this application is very weak. So let's register for new account and go to Bob suite. Okay, so let's send this directly to repeater. So on repeater, this is what we have. Then let's send this request and see how the application responds to creating a new user before we go ahead to create a user and inflate the account balance. Okay, so this is what happens here in the response when we create a new user. We have account number, the balance. So we can see here is admin false. Then we have the balance here that says just 1,000. So I'll come back to my repeater here, then edit this username as a new user and then add extra parameters for my mass assignment to increase the balance. So now let's do that. So let's change the username for the new user we'll be creating. Let's make it Learner Cisco. You can just play around the password. Then let's come back here. So what we'll be doing is first is this is admin. Let's make it true. Then we'll also work on the balance and increase the balance we have currently. So we'll do is underscore admin. Let's see, true. Then now we run the one for balance. We say balance. So now let's inflate the balance of this user to $50,000 instead of the initial $1,000 you get. So let's do 50. 1, 2, 3. So yeah guys, now I'll be sending this request and see if the mass assignments work. Okay guys, yes, it worked out successfully. So now, to show you what I just did, in case you don't understand the response I have here on Burpsuite, I will go into my browser and log in this user that we just created, Leonard Chisco. Let me turn off my Burpsuite intercept. So let's come here and see. Already have an account login. Now Chisco. Let me go back to Burpsuite and get the password I use, 001. Okay. So let's log in. So yes, you can see this new account we created. Instead of starting with an initial $1,000, we're able to use mass assignment to increase it to $50,000. Mass assignment attack works when the application allows users to input more in the fields, just like you saw me do in the Burpsuite request. I was able to play around the request and then add is admin true, balance, then increased it, and that's how we got here. So this will be the end for the episode 3 of our web app security series. I want you to like, share and comment in this video, and see you on the next one, guys.